Hello and welcome to this short yoga flow that you can do anywhere and anytime. Don't need much space, so when you're ready, beginning to come through to your seated position. That may look different for all of us. Maybe we're staggered or traditional cross-legged. When we begin to arrive, taking the palms onto the thighs, we're just going to begin to circle or sway. We're going to take the shoulders back over the sit bones, lengthening the spine. And we're going to take the arms up overhead. When we get to our highest point, left hand's going to begin to come down. We'll take a gentle side stretch over towards the left. Pressing off for that left hand, we'll take the arms up and then simply repeating it on the opposite side. And we're going to do this 2 or 3 times, just going with your own rhythm. Hands rising, and then side stretch. Center. Last round, beginning to take the hands up and then over. We'll take the fingertips up towards the sky. We'll begin to cactus, opening up the chest. Fingertips beginning to rise. We'll take the hands behind us. We'll begin to unfurl the legs, taking the soles of the feet to the earth. Knees bent. We're going to begin to windshield wipe. So as we windshield wipe, the sit bones might lift from the earth. Just do you. See what works best. We'll begin to take the soles of the feet back to the earth. And we're going to begin to come through to a butterfly. So soles of the feet coming together, hands along the thighs or the knees. If you find yourself up like this, maybe take the feet slightly further forward. We'll begin to lift and lengthen. Maybe take a twist. Right hand coming along that left shin near thigh. Just make sure that right knee doesn't begin to lift itself. Left hand going to the side. We'll take a gentle side stretch. Lifting the arm, crossing the arms, tucking the chin in. We'll begin to open up. And twist. Right hand coming across, tucking and rounding, cat-like. We'll begin to lift, opening up arms, cactus. Fingertips rising. We'll begin to take the hands behind us, soles of the feet back to the earth. Taking them about hip width apart, we'll come back through to that windshield wiping. We'll begin to take the soles of the feet back to the earth, bending that right knee as we straighten that left leg. We're going to begin to frame the left leg, beginning to hinge. Now we might be quite upright. A few of you might get the hand along the leg, maybe to the foot. We'll begin to lift. We're going to take a mini wild thing. So either taking a twist, hand to the thigh, staying here, or we're going to sweep open with that left arm. And we'll begin to come back down. Coming back over that left leg. We're only here for a beat. Inhaling, we'll begin to come through to your twist or that mini wild thing. And release. We'll begin to bend that left knee. So we can begin to take that arm on the inside. Right hand gently pressing down on the right. Maybe taking the heart over that right knee as we open up. We're going to repeat this on the other side. So beginning to gently bend that left knee as we begin to straighten the right. Readjusting the sit bones. And we'll begin to melt over that right side. Lifting. We'll begin to either come into your twist or your mini wild thing. Planting the left hand. Rising. We'll begin to melt, folding over that right side. And beginning to lift. And release. We'll begin to heavily bend that right knee, sole of the foot, arm coming onto the inside, left fingertips. Imagine this left shoulder coming away from the ear, just to make a little bit more space in the neck. And casually beginning to come back through to our seated position. Beginning to tuck the chin in towards the chest, rounding the spine. And beginning to come back through. Lifting the arms up overhead. Left hand grabbing the right will tilt. And rising, right hand coming onto the left side, tilting over to the right. And center. Casually taking the hands down through to the heart. Bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you for taking this short yoga flow with me when you're limited for space and limited for time. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos, check out the link in the description, and I'll see you again soon.